Welcome Sixers family, my enlightened keepers of Øwayne Media alongside our new arrivals to the channel. The FBI has identified 20-year-old Matthew Crooks of Bethel Park, Pennsylvania as a suspect in an attempted assassination at a Donald Trump rally. According to state voters, Matthew Crooks was registered as a Republican who had also made a $15 donation to a Democratic Political Action Committee at age 17. Despite this background information, law enforcement officials have not yet established a clear motive for his action. The incident occurred when Matthew Crooks opened fire from a roof of a building approximately 150 yards 140 meters from the stage where Donald Trump was speaking. Secret Service agent responded by shooting and killing Matthew Crooks. An AR-15 style semi-automatic rifle was recovered near his body. Tragically, the attack resulted in casualties among the rally attendees. The Secret Service reported that one person was killed and 2 others were critically wounded.
Gunfire erupted at a campaign rally for former President Donald Trump in Butler, Pennsylvania, Saturday. Trump said a bullet struck him in the ear. Here's how the attack unfolded. President Trump was speaking from a stage located here, with Secret Service snipers in position on the roof of a building behind the stage. The suspected gunman was on the roof of another building less than 450 feet away from where Trump was speaking, with a clear line of sight.
And look what happened to our country.
Moments before the shooting, we can hear nearby spectators saying they see someone with a gun.
He's going down!
At the same time, while Trump speaks, the Secret Service snipers can be seen facing the gunman's direction. We see the agent on the roof pick his head up just before shots ring out at 6:15. Secret Service agents rush to pull Trump to the ground. As they rush him from the stage, blood can be seen on the bleachers behind where Trump was speaking. A spectator was killed and 2 more were critically injured at the event. The suspected gunman, 20-year-old Thomas Matthew Crooks, was shot and killed.
Donald Trump sends message after the assassination attempt and said, "I want to thank the United States Secret Service and all of law enforcement for their rapid response on the shooting that just took place in Butler, Pennsylvania. Most importantly, I want to extend my condolences to the family of the person at the rally who was killed and also to the family of another person that was badly injured. It is incredible that such an act can take place in our country. Nothing is known at this time about the shooter who is now dead. I was shot with a bullet that pierced the upper part of my ear. I knew immediately that something was wrong in that I heard a whizzing sound, shots, and immediately felt the bullet ripping through the skin. Much bleeding took place, so I realized then what was happening. God bless America." Donald Trump also sent another message and said, "Thank you to everyone for your thoughts and prayers yesterday, as it was God alone who prevented the unthinkable from happening. We will fear not, but instead remain resilient in our faith and defiant in the face of wickedness. Our love goes out to the other victims and their families. We pray for your recovery of those who were wounded and hold in our hearts the memory of the citizens who was so horribly killed. In this moment, it is more important than ever that we stand united and show our true character as Americans, remaining strong and determined and not allowing evil to win. I truly love our country and love you all and look forward to speaking to our great nation this week." Alright, so that's the video for today. Thanks for the likes, thanks for the subscribe, thanks for the views, thanks for the comments. As always, I'm out.